In our problem we have 240 times 240 divided by 240 divided by 240. And because according to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this multiplication, it's wrong. Okay? Now let's start our solution. So first we do this multiplication. We have 240 times 240, which equals 57,600. Rewrite our problem and we get 57,600 divided by 240 divided by 240. So we have to work from left to right. 57,600 divided by 240, which equals 240 divided by 240, which equals 1. And this was our final answer for this problem.